we now have a locking hand brake. This hand brake can move positions on the chair depending on what's easiest for you. To engage the hand brake, it's the same as our other handles. You simply squeeze. There's a red locking mechanism that you engage, and that's going to lock that wheelchair for you. To disengage, it's the same as our others. You just squeeze the handle once and it will disengage the brake. There is a yellow sticker here on the handbrake. If you push into that button, that's going to remove the handbrake and allow you to, again, position it where it makes sense for you and your client at the time. You can move it to this side of the middle handbar. You also have the option of attaching it here to the front of the wheelchair on both the left and right hand side, which is a great option if you've got someone in a ramp. So again, you just squeeze the handle, engage that red lock, and now that Traversa is in a safely locked position. And then again, to disengage the brake, you just squeeze the handle, that's going to unlock it. And again, we can move this handbrake anywhere on either the back or the front of the wheelchair to make it easy accessible. If you have any questions or we can help you in any way, please feel free to give us a call at 844-552-7632, or you can email us at info@brodaseating.com.